Mila's not up there. You think Mila's up there?
Not a whole lot there, but it's a call that they made, Beth. And in this situation, defensively, you tell your defensive backs right now, tackle the wide receivers. Don't let them run routes because the clock will be running.
From the 2. First and goal, Guyton throwing for the end zone. And he's caught for the touchdown by Chris Fields. And now they need the
See Mila's picture there?
to tie the game.
Oh no.
I believe this play will be reviewed upstairs.
Previous play is under further review. The ruling on the field is a touchdown.
They would need video evidence to prove that it was not a catch in order to turn this over. On the season, if this play does stand, the Buckeyes are 2 for 2 on their 2-point conversions, but in both instances, they were in the hand of Braxton Miller, who is out of the game with an injury.
In this situation, on the 2-yard line with 8 seconds left, if you're on defense, you teach your defensive backs to tackle the wideouts. Do not let them run a route because you only lose 1 yard if they call a penalty, and then you eliminate a play. The play clock is running regardless. There's 3 seconds left, and then they only have 1 play to run in that situation. They allow these guys to get open. They allow them to run out of a bunch. And this appears to be a catch to me. This appears to be a touchdown.
We haven't seen a replay that gives us indisputable evidence to the contrary.
What are you gonna do? You gonna lay down and go to sleep there?
It is a touchdown.
You got to give Guyton credit. I mean, he didn't look great the series before.
You better get down off of there.
Throws a couple balls, and then when they need it, when there's less than a minute left with the game on the line down by 8.
Need a 2-point conversion here to tie it up with 3 seconds to go in regulation. Guyton on the rollout.
Can you jump on the bed?
Guyton to the end
Can you jump? Can you jump over on the bed? See if you can jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Jump on the bed. Yes, you can do it. Jump. Now that's it. Yes, that's it.